Assalamualaikum guys, this is Kinza Fatma and this is my first ever video which you are watching on YouTube. So don't forget to appreciate me by the end of this video. Okay, let's start with the main point that basically I am an online English language teacher for more than a year. So I thought that I must do something for those who eagerly wants to do these sort of courses but can't due to some sort of issues or something else. So I thought that I must create a channel for those who wants to see or who wants to clear their concepts regarding grammar or conversation, etc. So here you will get more videos regarding these sort of topics. See, we all know that Urdu is our national language, but we can't deny this reality that luckily or unluckily English is our official language. So in our universities, colleges, schools, we have to learn English, and as well it's a part of our job requirement. So it's very mandatory to learn English, especially in this modern era. Definitely those who are just taking lectures from the YouTube must wait for my next video, and they are not giving the equal facilities which I am giving to my students. So it's more beneficial to join the course. The link for this course, if anyone is interested, so the link is given in the description box. You can join this course. I'm sharing the screen to make your concept clear what we are going to learn throughout the session. So guys, here the screen is. We are providing you with the flexibility of time. You can select your own time that when you want to have a class. We have session of 2 hours a day and 10 hours a week. Okay. Next point is no age restrictions. We are offering this course to male and female both, and no age restrictions are applied to both the genders. The only eligibility is that a person must know at least 20 to 30% of English. Therefore, I suggest to have an admission after 8 years, because at this age, a student must know 20% of basic grammar like making words or sentences, etc. Last point and the most important, proper certification would be given after when you finish this course. We will provide you the certificate. So now the question arises that what kind of benefits you would get when you continue this course. So here are the major problems which we are going to solve throughout this session. Number 1, grammatical issues. Number 2, conversation, which automatically removes your hesitation. Number 3, vocabularies. We are providing 10 to 15 vocabulary on daily basis, new vocabularies on daily basis to our students, which make them able to speak a sentence in a new way. Number 4, thinking and observation. Number 5, confidence boosting, which is the major problem in our society which people are facing nowadays. Let's discuss what you are going to learn throughout the session. Level 1. This level is designed for the students who are facing difficulties in grammar topics. So the following topics would be covered to those students. In level 1, the topics are syllables, parts of speech, kinds of sentences, WH questions, tenses, semi-modal verbs, modal auxiliary verb, affix, quantifiers, degrees of adjectives, and forms of verbs. Remember, these are only the grammar topics. In conversation, we are going to provide you the moralistic stories, repetition with the proper accents, speeches by native speakers, and motivational speeches, which will directly enhance your thinking and speaking abilities. In level 2, you are going to have the same conversation but in advanced way. So the topics are review of all topics of first level. We will going to give the review, just review, and we will going to make them in advanced way. Next thing is extra uses of semi-modal verbs, then CV and resume writing patterns, phrasal verbs, tag questions, clauses, and causative verbs. In level 3, you are going to learn conditional sentences, active and passive voices, narrations, application and letter writing, and the last is interviewing. And in level 3, you are going to have the same thing which were in level 2. These topics are additional. In level 4, the same thing is applied to level 4 as well. You are going to have the same topics in level 1, level 2, level 3, but just a reviews of those topics, not in detail. And the additional topics which are included in level 4 are creative writing modules, all types of essays, letter and applications, memos and reports, speaking fluency. So what you are waiting for? Just enroll yourself by clicking the Google form link given in the description below. No admission fees, just monthly fees 2000 rupees per month. Guys, soon inshallah I upload my next video regarding parts of speech, topic number 1 of grammar. But before that, you have to do my 3 tasks. Number 1, you have to hit the like button. Number 2, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And the most important part, don't forget to share with your family, friends, etc. And especially to those who need to learn English. Thank you, take care, and Allah Hafiz.